Hello everyone, so in this video we'll see what are P's in AI and the example of P's. So let us start. What are P's? P stands for performance measure. E stand for environment. A stand for actuator and S stand for sensor. P stand for performance measure means what the machine or any AI tool has performed. What should be the expected performance measure of the machine? E means environment. Suppose this is the machine, then what is the environment beside it is the environment. And performance means what? How the machine works. What is the expected performance of this machine is performance measure. Actuators means what? Means whatever the machine does and it does by any of the thing, that is actuator. And sensors means what the machine senses from the environment, that is sensors. Okay. So what is the point? In designing an agent, the first step must always be to specify the P's as fully as possible. Means what? The first step of designing any agent, the first step is to specify these P's. First thing is to specify the P's as fully as possible, as clear as possible. So let us see the first example of P's. P is for automated taxi driver. The performance measure for it is safe, fast, legal, comfortable trip, maximize profit. What should be the performance measure of the taxi driver? The taxi driving should be safe. It should be fast enough, not fast and furious, but it should be fast enough. It should be legal, means the driver should have all the necessary documents. The trip should be comfortable enough and the maximize profit. The taxi driver should get maximum profit. So the next is environment. What is the environment of taxi driver? Roads, other traffic, pedestrian, passenger signals. Okay. So the environment, what if it is a taxi, then the road is a environment. Again, the other traffics means the traffics and all is the environment. Pedestrian means the persons walking by is the environment. The passengers who wants the taxi is also the environment, and the signals which the taxi driver has to follow is also the environment. Then comes the actuators. Steering wheel, accelerator, brake, indicators, horn, these are the actuators. Means what? Whenever the sensor sense anything, the taxi driver acts upon it through actuators. So what are the actuators? The steering wheel of the taxi, accelerator, brake, indicators, horn, etc. What are the sensors in automated taxi driver? Camera, speedometer, GPS, odometer, engine sensors, keyboard, etc. So the sensors are which can sense the information from the environment, which we have seen in first or second video, that is the agent, what an agent does. So the sensors sense the information from the environment. So which are the sensors? The camera, speedometer, GPS, odometers, engine sensors, keyboard, etc. We will see P is for medical diagnosis system. So the performance measure of the medical diagnosis system is healthy patient, minimize cost. Okay. So the performance means what is the expected performance of the medical diagnosis system? It should be healthy patient, means what? The patient should be healthy enough, and minimize cost, so that the patient should afford the cost of the system. Environment. What is the environment for medical diagnosis system? Where it is situated, or where it can be situated, that is among the patient hospital staff. Okay. Actuators means whatever the information is sensed by the sensors, the actuators will work upon it, means it will give the output through what? Screen display, where the screen display will have tests, diagnosis, treatments, etc. The sensors, as it is a medical diagnosis system, there will be only a keyboard, but in that keyboard the sensors will have the entry of symptoms, findings, patient answers, etc. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.